Hello there, welcome to ChiShona. Here is another installment in the Shona Nouns series, and today I want to share with you some Shona names or Shona nouns of common professions. Mabasa anoitwa nevanhu. The first one that I have is teacher. A teacher is called Mudzidzisi or Murairidzi. Mudzidzisi, Murairidzi. The next one is a doctor. A doctor is called Chiremba. Chiremba. A nurse is Mukoti. Mukoti. A driver, Mutyairi. Mutyairi. A police officer is Mupurisa. Mupurisa. Soldier is Uto. Uto. A judge is called Mutongi. Mutongi. A lawyer is called Gweta. Gweta. A farmer is called Murimi. Murimi. Last but not least, a hunter is called Muvhimi. Muvhimi. Here are the 10 professions that we have discussed, summarized on this slide. So we said teacher is Mudzidzisi or Murairidzi. Doctor, Chiremba. A nurse, Mukoti. Driver, Mutyairi. Police officer, Mupurisa. Soldier, Uto. Judge, Mutongi. Lawyer, Gweta. Farmer, Murimi. And hunter is Muvhimi. Thank you for watching, and if you like the content of this channel, please subscribe. If you've already subscribed, thank you very much for your support. Until the next time, Chisarai, ndatenda zvikuru.